But hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kush Gonar and you are watching Becoming Kush. This is our day 105, 105 or 105 and we are so into this and 3 months have passed and I guess 3.5 months has passed me doing every day. So hello everyone. So let's get started with today. There was a power cut and when and because of that all my devices were dead. So my phone was discharged. There was not charged. There was My laptop was not charged from last night, so I had nothing to do. And when that happened, you already know your entire routine just collapsed. So I just, instead of waking up early and getting things done, I just stayed in the bed, waiting for the light to come, doing nothing. And before I realized, it was already 11 a.m. in the morning. Uh, Now here's the worst part. I was already 1 hour late for my internship. So yeah, instant panic. I quickly got up, rushed into rushed through everything, and somehow managed to join. No proper routine, no planning, just straight into the work. After that, the entire day just became survivor mode. I was working continuously till 9 p.m. and in between that, I somehow squeezed in my daily routines, my lunch, and just small tea break from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And that's it. No real breaks, no downtown, just switching between tasks again and again. A lot of meeting has been I have been joined today, and honestly, when when days go like this, it doesn't feel productive. It just feels draining. And there's something I realized today. My internship is taking a huge chunk of my day now. Likely most of my energy, focus, and time goes into it, and because of that, I really don't have much new thing to share with you guys daily. Not because I'm doing nothing, not because everything is happening in the same loop. After finishing my work, I had dinner, and it was already 11:30 p.m. And at that point, I had two options. I would either sleep or do something small for my studies. So I choose the second. I didn't start full study today, but I did something important. I completed one subject earlier, and so I today focused on collecting syllabus and organizing material and understanding what I need to study next. Basically, I prepared everything, and I will probably start from tomorrow. So yeah, that wasn't a productive masterpiece. It was messy, unplanned, and kind of exhausting. But at the same time, not every day is about winning. Some days are just about showing up and not really quitting. So if you haven't ever day like this, things won't go your way. You felt behind, or you couldn't do anything you have planned. You just know you are not alone. You are not alone. You are doing everything good. You could, if you are also on this journey like this, trying to balance work, study, and life. Drop drop a comment below. Let's talk about it. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and support the journey. That's it, guys. This is my day 105 105 done, and that's okay. Tata, bye bye. See you. Bye.